Simple science, bathtub science, measuring butter with water. Today we're going to be making bacon, cheddar, chive, buttermilk biscuits. This is my favorite recipe, one of the ones that I keep near and dear to me when I want to bust something out for a barbecue. And it's just in time, Friday, this weekend. Go barbecue. Make these biscuits, show them off to your friends and families, and blow their minds. It's pretty easy. Little pregame heads up. Your oven is going to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Start that now. And the butter, 3/4 of a cup, throw that in the freezer. That's key. You're going to need to do that. So do it now. Go! As always, guys, the recipe is down in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And if you're on Instagram video, follow me on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. The deets are in the description. Let's get started. While your oven's preheating and all your stuff is getting ready or ready to be mixed, this is an easy, fast recipe. So I'm going to jump into the pro tip right away because it's crucial to this thing we're doing. Biscuits. Biscuit things. All right, pro tip time. Even better, you can't see my beautiful face. This one borders on science. Ever get in the bathtub when there's too much water and all the water goes all over the place? That's called displacement. If you want to measure something that has a mass and you need a volume measurement, say it's 2 pounds, but you want to see if it's 3 cups, use displacement. Take your measuring cup, fill it with enough water. There we go. So I got 1 1/4 cups. I want to measure 3/4 cups of butter. So the water's in. Take your butter, drop that bad boy in, and 1 1/4 cup plus 3/4 cup should come out to 2 cups. There you go. And it's butter. It's oil-based. It's fat. The water just beads right off. So there you have it. Simple science. Okay, let's get back to cooking because science is boring. So this part's easy. All the white stuff, put it in the bowl, mix it together with a fork till it's fully incorporated. That's that. Boom, just like that. Step 1 down. One tool you are going to need specifically for this deal is a box grater. If you don't have one of these, it's okay. You can chop your butter up with a knife really, really, really tiny so you can incorporate it into your dry stuff. Frozen butter works best. So if you paid attention at the beginning of the video, preheated your oven to 425 and froze your butter. Once it's frozen, get grating. Easy. your dry stuff is mixed, your butter's grated, now you need to mix your butter with your dry stuff using your fingers. This is the best way to do it. And don't worry if it's not a perfect dough. You want those pieces of butter in there so when it bakes, they have nice buttery pockets, delicious little buttery pockets. So yeah, butter into the flour mixture. Start mixing. You will see a consistency of damp sand. Like when you're at the beach, you can build a sand castle. That's what you're looking for, damp sand. So get mixing, have some fun, go! Now that your butter and your flour mixture is incorporated, it should resemble damp sand. Like if you make a fist, it should stay in that form, but you should be able to break it apart easily as well. Once you're there, you're gonna add your chives, your cheddar, and your chopped bacon. Mix that till it's fully incorporated. You want to evenly spread it out. And then you're gonna add your buttermilk. This is just to moisten everything up. You only need 1 cup, you don't need much. Do that, mix it up, you should be ready to go. We are almost there. The dough is done. The oven's preheat to 425. You are going to make these balls about half a cup of dough each. Space them out about 2 to 3 inches on a baking sheet because they will expand and they will get big and fluffy. You're going to want to bake these for about 8 to 9 minutes at 425. Keep an eye, they will come golden brown. They can burn very, very quickly. Depending on the oven you have, if you have a dead air oven, you should be okay. If you have a convection oven, keep an eye on those bad boys. The golden brown is the telltale sign that those bad boys are done. If you need to, take a toothpick, stick it in the thing. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. If not, give it another few minutes. And that should be it. So how'd your biscuits turn out? I told you this one was easy. It's quick, it's fast, and it's one of those ones that you keep in your back pocket so whenever you need to pull something fantastic out, you can use these. Super fast, super simple, super easy. I don't think it's any better than that. Bacon, cheese, chives. Get it, go! And again, everyone, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll catch you next week when we're making a little more complicated sweet surprise for a special someone. Oh, who is it? You probably don't know. Tune in, find out. It'll be a good one. Thanks again. See you next Friday.